Alright, today I'm going to test the difference between stainless steel and stainless coated screws. Alright, as you can see, the three on the right are stainless steel, the one on the left is the coated screw. Now the stainless steel has superior stain resistance, nearly stain proof. As you can tell, the colour is slightly different with the stainless coated as opposed to the stainless steel. The stainless steel has more of a gloss, a glint to it, and the coated screw is a bit of a low sheen. The advantage of the coated screw is that it is 2.5 times stronger than the stainless screw, and stainless by definition is a soft metal. And as you can see, I've got 3 different types of stainless steel screws, all different brands, different manufacturers, and I'll test them all today and show you that the coated screw is stronger than that. Alright, the wood I'm testing today is a hardwood. It's from Chet Pallets, as you can see from the blue markings. And I'll test each of the screws on them right now. As you can see, they're not connected. I'm going to test the stainless steel screw. Now this is just to prove that stainless steel is a soft metal. It hasn't been pre-drilled or anything. As you can see, it's snapped off. Alright, first one failed. I'm now going to test a second one. It is a 75mm stainless steel screw. That's 2 for 2 for stainless steel. I'm going to test a third stainless steel, different brand, 50mm. Alright, testing the third stainless steel screw. All 3 stainless steel screws snapped. Now I am going to test the stainless coated screw. Now, like I said, this is 2.5 times stronger than stainless steel, and the reason for that is because it contains 2.5 times the carbon in the steel. As you can see, the 3 previous holes from the stainless steel screws. I'll now test the stainless coated screw. In this part, I will now prove the strength of these screws by screwing all the way through the wood without the screw snapping. So what would happen is, I'll screw it in, it'll go all the way through, this wood will lift up just to prove that it went all the way through. As you can see, it is connected to the wood. Now I'm going to go all the way through the wood without the screw snapping. Screw went all the way through, didn't snap, into the next piece of wood.